Gerald Grimes, President and CEO of IDM Products. And we are a distribution, manufacturing, logistics company. Our core business, in terms of what I like to operate, is on the sourcing side of the business. Global sourcing for our customers, whether it's chemicals, whether it's equipment, any MRO or Janssen products that's needed. That's kind of the things that we do here at IDM Products. Been in business now for 7 years.
And you used to be a photographer.
I used to be a photographer. To me, I was the best photographer in Dallas, okay? So of course I'm gonna say that. My customers were, started off as with weddings, of course, doing baby stuff, doing ultimately, commercial photography is where I ended up doing, and with my passion, aerial photography. And once I hit my pinnacle, I decided to kind of move to the next level and something different outside of my comfort, which was dry cleaning. Got into the dry cleaning business. For the past 10, 12 years, operated and built dry cleaning facilities, commercial laundry facilities, built big plants, and then sold those off, and then moved to another segment of the business, which is, the distribution manufacturing side of it. And today we're going to give you a tour of what was built and over the past 7 years, and you'll get to see what IDM is about.
Absolutely. All right, let's take the tour.
All right, we'll start in the beginning as you come outside. This is the foyer area. This is some of the manufacturing equipment that we're going to talk about. This started pre-COVID, and then it led us up to where we are today. Within that time, IDM Products, basically partnered and has a sister company with LFP Logistics, and this is our logistics part of the business. Global logistics, not just trucks, but more so any mode of logistics, whether it's ship, airplane, boat. So we cover all realms of logistics. Awesome. Moving on. This is my office. This is where a lot of the magic happens in terms of me operating on a day-to-day basis. Some of the key things that we're working on right now is sustainability. Sustainability in terms of getting plastics out of the environment. So where there's new products for oil, we're partnering with a company called Circula, or new bottles to get rid of the plastics out of the environment. So we're working with certain government agencies to replace pill bottles and go paper. Again, this is all sustainability. So biodegradable, 100% biodegradable food trays, meat trays, the meats that you see in the supermarkets. Hopefully one day real soon you'll see these type products in there. So these are, again, the type things that we're doing, all the way up to recyclable napkins and different products for industrial use.
Awesome. And what is biodegradable?
Biodegradable is products that can dissolve or disintegrate within in the soil, in the landfill. All right, here's another division of ours, and this division is our pet accessories. That's Cindy over there. Cindy is the lead textile manager. She handles all of this stuff right here. We brought this company up. We built this 5 years ago, during the pandemic, and here we are today doing pet accessories. We have great customers. One of our key customers is Brookshire's, a store called Fresh. So they have 8 locations, Cindy? 7 locations? But again, here's a lot of the things that we do. We're distributors of Zippy Paws, based out of California, a lot of pet toys. And then this is our line of products called Savvy Chic Paws. Savvy Chic Paws basically is a manufacturer of tons of different pet accessories. And that's Cindy again. She's the lead textile manager. Let's go to the warehousing piece. All right, this is our war room. This is, again, where a lot of the magic happens, a lot of our meetings. We put together strategic maps to kind of outline where we're going throughout the U.S. And again, this is a place where, the company meets, and a lot of our products are here as well. Again, we're in the wipes manufacturing part of the business. We got strategic recyclable products that we are currently manufacturing and packaging. This is our brand called Easy Pro, and what we'll be doing is taking a recyclable product, and we're going to replace the plastics out of this. So that's the key, and you'll see some equipment real soon that helps us achieve this goal.
Sounds good.
Going into the warehouse part of the business, again, we are a a licensed FDA certified warehouse company. We have key customers, government customers. Some of our customers store a lot of their products here, and those products are key into the components that they make. So can't talk about them because it's kind of top secret. So warehousing, this is food grade products. We have big customers that are strictly in the food grade. That's why we have the FDA certified designation. And we have warehouses also in New Jersey. 450,000 square foot is one of the largest warehousing facilities that we have in Jersey. Here's other parts of our warehousing. And then further back, you'll start seeing our equipment to do the manufacturing of a product called Fuse Pack, which is a 100% recyclable container that will replace the plastics. Right now, we're gonna start with wipes. So we'll start with wipes. And again, this is the product itself. And these are called pucks that you put this in. So this equipment is over, $1.3, $1.4 million that we purchased from Israel, had it manufactured to our specific specifications. Again, initially it was designed to, just do the initial, your standard, your standard containers that you put wipes in. But again, we partnered with a company called Jabil, and they asked us to work with them, and they created this, and we do the bottom sealing of this, and we do the filling, the packaging, the whole 9 yards. So that's what this equipment is for. We're pretty proud of it, and real soon you'll be seeing it on the shelves throughout America. So looking forward to it.
So what does IDM stand for?
IDM stands for Innovate, Develop, Manufacture. Again, in our business line, we develop, we manufacture. We're very innovative in terms of what the customer is always asking for. Good thing about our customers is they think of us as a think tank. We're that small company that think large, okay? And thank God on my team, I have thinkers and guys who love to tinker and guys who will not back down from a challenge. So such as, that's the culture that I've created around here. Let's think outside the box constantly. Let's not let a wall stop us. We're either gonna go under it, over it, or around it. So that's the things that we do, and again, our customers appreciate that from us.
So do you think that, everything you've done in life led you up to this moment right now?
Absolutely, it has. Everything I've done, I've been able to put all the failures, all the successes together and create IDM Products. And again, one of the, my first business was a photography business, and I owe everything to that business, what I've done, up until this point. I've taken all those key elements out of being a photographer, out of having to be a people person, out of being able to think outside the box, and I brought it into this business right here.
So what advice would you give any creative photographer who's been in the business 5, 10, 15 years, maybe even 20 years, and they're trying to figure out, is photography still for them? Is there another life that they can pursue where they can still be happy?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, you can have a dual role. You can still, if photography is your passion, my advice is, still pursue it. But if you're not really getting the financial gain out of it, or just the happiness that you once have, just start looking at something that you're going to be happy in, an alternative career. Again, my calling has always been, how do I make something better? How do I create something better? How do I understand what the potential customer is looking for and bring that to life? It's like being an artist. You want to get an empty canvas and you want to start painting it and creating things that make it livable, that make it, get the customer what they want. And that's the things that we like doing.
So one of the most important questions I like to ask artists transitioning into more of a corporate blue collar field is, are you happy?
Very happy. I was happy being a photographer, but over time, you kind of peak out, and I think I peaked out as a photographer, and I needed to find something that was going to be more rewarding to me. And again, that's when IDM was born. So yeah, I'm very happy in what we do because our business is so diverse. Every day is something different. there's no one day that's alike. There's no redundancy. When I get a phone call, it could be something from, whether it's from the federal government, whether it's from a Fortune 100 or 500 company, it's going to be something totally different. And obviously it's going to be something that they can't do on their own. And that's why we get the phone call, and I love it.
And any final words for creatives out there, or even business professionals trying to build their business to the standard you built?
The final word would be, find something that you're going to be passionate about. Don't just look at it for the dollars perspective, because you're going to get bored again. And don't get me wrong, we all need the financial aspect of it. But again, you got to get up every day and live with what you're doing. So my advice is, find something that you're going to be passionate about and pursue it, and the dollars will come. If you're passionate about it, the money will come.
Thank you so much, Gerald.
No, you're welcome.
Really appreciate your time.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
All right. I appreciate you coming over.
Oh my God, Cindy is the best.